The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
Hotel Paragraph Shekvetili has published its financial report for 2021. According to the report, the hotel's income is up by 2.2-folds compared to the last year and reached 35 million gelari. According to the report, Paragraph Shekvetili ended 2021 with a profit of 1.8 million gelari, while in 2020 the company had a loss of 8.2 million gelari. According to the financial report, the value of the hotel's asset is currently 58 million gelari, while the company has an accumulated loss of 205 million gelari. Paragraph Shekvetili is owned by Bidzina Ivanishvili's charity fund Kartu since 2020. Paragraph Shekvetili is a 5-star hotel with 220 rooms. It operates under the Autogroup Collection brand of Marriott chain. Lisi event hall was opened in Tbilisi with an investment of $1.5 million USD. The project was implemented by the company Lisi Events with the support of TerraBank. The restaurant space is designed for 1,000 persons to celebrate weddings, birthdays, corporate and individual parties. As David Quirtia, event hall manager, points out, individual orders refers to the orders of singers or other representatives of arts. Company Lisi Event Hall launched the small hotel Lisi Event Villa with an investment of $500,000 USD, which offers guests a large lounge space and a swimming pool. According to David Quirtia, interest in the hotel has been quite high since summer. The cost for per night in the hotel with breakfast is 190 gelari for 2 people. Georgian company Woodcrafts opened an industrial design furniture enterprise. According to its founder, Madonna Suramanidze, customers have the opportunity to purchase ready-made furniture in the enterprise as well as to order the desired design. As Madonna Suramanidze told TV program Women's Narrative, initially the company produced lamps made of coconut bark, and later they started making furniture. We offer the customers both ready-made furniture and it's also possible to order them according to their taste and design. Here we have our showroom where they can view our products, see the quality of works and make a decision accordingly. 80% of our production comes from secondary materials of old oak. We mainly use secondary wood materials obtained from the demolition of old houses and barns. We have several suppliers. At this stage, 4 people are employed in the enterprise, says the founder. According to Madonna Suramanidze, the price of furniture in the wood crafts ranges from 1,000 gelari to 3,000 gelari on average. Adjara Group plans to implement new projects. As Otar Berishvili, executive director of Adjara Group, told BMG the company will work on the development of 3 main directions, namely hotels, bar, restaurants and co-working spaces. Speaking about the investment, the executive director of Adjara Group says that more than 50 million gelari is planned to be invested in the projects. Rooms Batumi will be opened in 2023. This is a priority project for us. Construction works are actively underway. We are also implementing the project in Tserti. At the first stage, we only opened a restaurant, but we are also planning to open a hotel. It will be a completely new concept hotel and will not be under the Rooms brand. Along with the hotels, we are working on the development of co-working spaces. As for the volume of investment at this stage, as far as I can say with the precision, more than 50 million gelari is planned to be invested, says Otar Berishvili. Moreover, Rooms Hotel Abasumani will be opened in 2024 as well. Founder of Haeri, Gela Takwadze, announced while talking to BMG that Haeri is the only hotel in Adjara which operates during the winter season and notes in the case of demand they cannot fully satisfy it, as Haeri is able to accommodate only 12 people. Haeri combines 3 cottages, which is the only hotel in Adjara resort. Gela Takwadze notes that the only way to attract vacationers in winter is to build a ski resort in Racha. Each citizen of Racha will unconditionally want to build a ski resort because it will be a relief. The existence of a winter resort will write a new story in the history of Racha. Currently, people have to meet the winter season with the savings accumulated during the summer, says Gena Takwadze. The implementation of the future plans of Haeri is related to maintaining communication channels in Utsera. They want to expand the hotel, add cottages and a food facility, which is impossible without gas supply. When gas supply will be launched in Utsera, we are going to add cottages because for tourists it's always a priority to rest in a hotel where meals are included in the service, and there are almost no food facilities in Utsera, especially in winter, he said. Haeri was created a year ago with personal investment of the founder, which amounted to 200,000 gelari. Currently 4 people are employed there. The fee for spending the night in the cottage varies depending on the season, from 150 gelari to 300 gelari. The spice manufacturing company was launched in Igoeti, which produces 80 types of spices. As the commercial director of Igoeti, Vaja Iluridze told BMG the enterprise, equipped with modern machinery, can produce 7,500 packages per day. According to him, the spices are currently sold only in the supermarket chain Srapari, although the company's plans include making exports abroad. Our enterprise is equipped with modern machines and it meets all standards. The equipment can produce 7,500 packages per day, although the enterprise has the more resources. Igoeti products are valid longer than usual. In the packages of our products, the device adds nitrogen, which expels oxygen from the package, and the term of the product expires in 2 years. Quality is the most important thing for the company. We have installed ozonometers in the factory, which destroys all kinds of bacteria. As for sales, Igoeti spices are sold in the supermarket chain Haeri. We have negotiations in the direction of exports, and if everything goes well, we will export in the winter season of this year, says the commercial director of Igoeti. As a part of Enterprise Georgia's export support component, children's clothing producer Lemo has been able to attend international exhibition PT Imagine Bimbo, while company's unique and creative products have generated interest at this event. Hence, by displaying children's clothing at the international showrooms in Florence, the Georgian company has established business partnerships and started exporting its products to countries such as France and Sweden. With Enterprise Georgia's export support, we participated in the children's clothing exhibition held in Italy. At the event, we met dozens of importers, buyers, and interested parties. The negotiations were successfully completed and the export of our created products began in Sweden and France as well, Nino Giorgadze, founder of Lemo, said. Currently 1,000 units of clothes have already been sent for export and they are preparing to present the winter collection. The children's clothing manufacturing company Lemo appeared on the market in 2020. Lemo's products are exported to Armenia, Sweden, and France. Negotiations are also underway with German side. Agricultural product retail store Tserti is expanding. The company will open new branches in Shekvetili and Nadaladevi district. As Bidzina Gonashvili, the founder of Tserti, told BMG, a total of 700,000 gelari is being invested in both projects. A new branch of Tserti will be opened in the middle of November. At the beginning of December, we will open the facility in Shekvetili at Rustaveli Street 23. The investment will be approximately 700,000 gelari. With the addition of new branches, the number of employees will increase to 35, says Bidzina Gonashvili. Tserti currently has 2 branches in Tbilisi, in Didube, and another is located on Khazbegi Avenue.
The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.